Hi traders, Monday, new week. The market's coming down today and so is Clark. I'm about to short 1,000 shares. It's a bit spready, just shorted 1,000 shares. And I think it's going to come down mainly because I'm watching the market and the market's coming down now. We gap down and we continue to move down, so Clark should respond. Small size. OLED was just posted in the room. Let me see that. Ooh, I like it. How did I miss this one? Down 9%. I'm about to short it. I'm going to short it full size, 4,000 shares. It looks amazingly good. This kind of formation just have one direction down. Stocks down 10% should continue. JNPR is down almost 3%. I'm about to short under 25.50. Now I'm short 4,000 shares. I don't really like it too much, but the stop loss is maybe 20 cents and there's a nice reversal here. Clark is making it down to the lows. If it comes down under 117, oh, look at it goes. Just move down under 117. That looks really lovely. And more. This is great. Getting ready to take my partials. Small size in Clark. Took now. Well, I really did enjoy this one. I think a little bit less than $1, but what a nice move. JNPR is just going sideways. I hate it. I hate these small movers. Don't know why I take them all the time. I'm about to moving out now. I think I lost like 12 cents in JNPR. I didn't wait till my stop loss, which is over 25.70. It's just not going my way. There's no reason to hold on to it. OLED, I'm about to take my partial at any pullback now. I missed the previous one. I'll take now. Okay, taking now. Well, that's my best trade today. Almost 1 point in OLED. An amazing trade. Look at that previous point here. That one I missed earlier. Took now. I'm about to go long PayPal. I'm going to take 2,000 shares here long. Okay, I am long. PayPal is uptrending and the market is pulling up now from the low. So maybe that would be the low of the day and PayPal should make it. Facebook's down 5%, almost 5%. I'm about to short. Very small size. Stop is approximately 70 cents. Okay, short now under 176. I hope to continue with the trend. And Facebook looks like it's going to make it. Facebook made it very, very nice. Very, very nice. Took my partial right here now. Actually missed it. I had a stop order. Okay, now. Okay, I had an open order. I had to cancel it. Just small size in Facebook. Took an 800 shares partial. PayPal's not doing well. It was very, very close to my target, but if it comes down under 81 here, I'm going to move out now. Okay, I'm out of PayPal. Market did continue down, so PayPal responded to that. I'm doing good, traders. 4 winners, 1 loser. Great way to start my week. Just 38 minutes into the trading day, up $3,700. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you for watching my video. Do you have what it takes to become a trader? I would like to invite you to take my free trading challenge. If you succeed, I will fund you. You will get free access to a $14,000 trading account which you can trade from home and earn 70% of the profits you generate. No risk, no cost. Just click here and join now. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel here. If you have any questions, please use the comments below.